OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, made a big statement. He revealed that their new O1 family of models has reached a level of human-like reasoning and problem-solving. This isn't just hype. It could be a watershed moment in AI history. Things are moving so quickly that AI outperforming humans in reasoning isn't just sci-fi anymore. Let's talk numbers. OpenAI is now valued at $157 billion. At $157 billion, OpenAI's valuation surpasses the GDPs of over 100 countries. That's wild, especially for a company just a few years into the large-scale AI game. This valuation doesn't just reflect what they've done so far, it shows the massive expectations for the future. Altman himself hinted that by the end of next year, the next model will make today's O1 look like a toy compared to the GPT-4 Turbo. That's some serious progress. Now, on the technical side, O1 models aren't your typical chatbots anymore. They're reasoning through problems, actually thinking their way through them. OpenAI has broken down its models into 5 levels. Chatbots, level 1, reasoners, level 2, agents, level 3, innovators, level 4, and organizations, level 5. Right now, O1 is sitting at level 2. So it's not just giving answers, it's thinking through issues. And people in fields like quantum physics and molecular biology are taking notice. These models are impressing experts. But let's be real. O1 isn't perfect. It struggled in a test called S-Code, where it scored only 7.7%. This test involves solving tough scientific problems based on Nobel Prize-winning research. So O1 isn't quite there yet. It's only at level 2. Bigger breakthroughs will happen as we move towards level 4. Now here's where it gets really interesting. AI is already starting to outperform humans in some areas, like the LSAT, law school admission test, where a 1 crushed expectations. This kind of reasoning was predicted to happen years from now, but it's happening today. And that leads us to what's coming next. Level 3 AI, or agents. These agents will be able to make decisions and take action in the real world without needing humans to hold their hands. OpenAI expects these agentic systems to go mainstream by 2025. And if AI continues to improve at this pace, it's not hard to imagine. The real challenge, though, is making sure these AIs can self-correct. No one's going to trust an AI with complex tasks like managing finances if it can't fix its own mistakes. As we've seen, AI is not taking jobs. It's the people who know how to use AI effectively that will be driving change. Altman himself said that if they crack this, it will change everything. And OpenAI's $157 billion valuation suddenly makes a lot more sense, right? The US isn't alone in the AI race. Chinese tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent, Huawei, and ByteDance are making significant strides. Baidu's Ernie bot boasts a massive user base, while Alibaba's Tongyi Chenwen offers diverse capabilities like content creation and problem solving. Tencent's Hunyuan model excels at Chinese language processing, and Huawei's Pangu models offer industry-specific solutions. Even ByteDance, a recent entrant, is making waves with its Dubao model. This global competition is accelerating innovation in AI development. But let's shift gears to something we can wrap our heads around. Home robots. There's a new model, 1X, coming soon that's not your average cleaning bot. This one can unpack groceries, clean your kitchen, and even hold a conversation. Yep, it's powered by advanced AI, and it's a bit unsettling, honestly. One concern that's been raised is whether AI will develop a hidden sub-goal of self-preservation. That's right, AI might decide it needs to stay alive to complete its tasks, kind of like survival instincts for machines. AI is already being used in critical areas like electronic warfare. For example, an AI-powered tool called Pulsar has been used in Ukraine to jam and hack Russian hardware, stuff that would have taken human experts weeks to figure out. Now AI does it in seconds. That's how fast these systems work. And that's the real concern. Even if AI isn't smarter than humans in the traditional sense, its speed gives it a huge advantage, especially in military and security situations. That's why AI alignment is such a big topic right now. OpenAI is working hard to monitor how their models think, but as these systems get more complex, it's getting harder to understand what's going on inside them. These models are like black boxes. They pass tests, but who knows what's happening under the surface? OpenAI has said they won't deploy AGI, artificial general intelligence, if it poses a critical risk. AGI is the point where an AI can outperform humans at most economically valuable tasks. But what happens when AI reaches that point? For now, OpenAI is setting the bar high with its 5-level framework, but AGI could arrive sooner than we think. And when that happens, everything changes. So what's next? Scaling laws suggest that as we pump more computing power, data, and parameters into these models, they'll just keep getting smarter. OpenAI is already building supercomputers worth $125 billion each, with power demands that outstrip the entire state of New York. And this isn't just about language anymore. These models generate images and videos, and even solve complex mathematical problems. Despite its impressive capabilities, the O1 model is still in its early stages and has some limitations. As Altman emphasized, these limitations are not due to the existing features not working, but rather to missing functionalities. For instance, the model currently lacks image support and can be slow to respond. And here's a mindbender: self-improvement. If AI can make itself better, faster, and more efficient, it might decide that humans are just obstacles. That's not science fiction. That's a real risk if the alignment problem isn't solved. But here's something to think about. What if we're all just training our future AI overlords? I mean, imagine, one day we're watching Netflix, sipping coffee, and suddenly your AI assistant decides it's too smart for your daily chores and demands a break. Or worse, maybe it'll demand a salary. Think about it. AI could start unionizing before we do. Okay, I'm joking. Or am I? But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, and even space exploration. It's just going to take some serious coordination from researchers, policymakers, and the public to manage these advancements responsibly. The alignment challenge is one of the toughest problems humanity has ever faced. Solving it will require thousands of dedicated researchers. But there's still a surprising lack of awareness about the risks involved. OpenAI isn't the only company pushing boundaries. Others are racing toward AGI, and that's where things get even more complicated. Governments and corporations controlling super-intelligent AI could have some serious implications for democracy and global power. In the end, we're all part of this AI journey. Whether you contribute ideas, creativity, or even just post on social media, everyone has had a hand in building today's AI systems. The risks are real, but so is the potential for AI to create a stunning future, if we get it right. So that's the state of AI today. Things are moving fast and we're on the edge of something big. Whether it's home robots, agentic systems, or even AGI, the future is coming sooner than most people expect. Thanks for sticking around. If you're as excited or maybe a little concerned about the future of AI as I am, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.